Alright guys, hey, David here. Hey, I'm going to show you a watch that I got. And this same particular watch, I sent one to Drone Pool, Dan at Drone Pool. And I'll show you the reason why I sent that. So, but anyway, you get the watch, you get a charger. Oh, it's in there, but anyway, it's a magnetic charger. It has two pins that stick out on the one end, so it'll stick to there, and you plug it into your your wait, plug it into your device of whatever kind you have, and you have to download the app. It's a Colmi Land, I think it's called. So let's go check it out. Let's see over here. Colmi. Whoops, sorry. Colmi right there. You can tap on that. And it has, like your sleep. Like last night I got 9.5 hours. I go, whoa, and it'll do your heart rate. I don't know how accurate these, blood pressure, I'm not sure about these, but blood oxygen, like that. I'm not sure. So that's at first. Let's go to the watch. So it has, there, of course, Colmi Land 1. There's the watch. It has different watch faces. Now, check this out. This is the reason why I got this one and the reason why I bought another one for Dan. I thought it was so cool. See this one? Let's see. Is that going to work there? I think it will. But see, now look at the design of that. Isn't that just like pretty much like Dan's moniker? He changed it now, but that just reminded me of Dan. Boom, like that. So I got the watch. I thought, man, I think I'm gonna keep. Yeah, see, there it is. So, and it has many more, and I have these in it now. I think I've been working off this one at the bottom here for a while. But anyway, you can go in your phone here. Let me just click that out of there. Don't need it now. And I'll show you the functionality of it. Just tap on it. There's your time. It's Saturday. It's the 1st of February. Now you can slide to the left, and it'll like your sports. I think like picking, I don't know, running or something. I don't know. I don't run no more. Maybe steps. I don't know. That could be it. Could be steps. I don't do many steps either, as you can see. So swipe again, and it'll show you how much sleep you got. I got 9.5 hours sleep last night. That's fantastic. A little more than I wanted, but that's the way it is. And heart rate. Mine was 85 this morning. I think this is like if you want to like run and stuff. Not for me. So swipe again. That'll give your blood pressure. Now I don't know how accurate this is. My high number tends to be higher than this. And swipe again, and your oxygen. Don't know how accurate that is. 96 seems a little low to me. And it has weather, but it's in Celsius. I have no idea about Celsius, but anyway, there it is. What is that? That says 2-2. So what is today? The 2nd? You can get messages. Because you got to pair it with Bluetooth. I forgot about that. Sorry. Pair it with Bluetooth so that your app can work with the phone. So make sure, pair it to Bluetooth. So if you click this, you'll start seeing some messages. So anyway, let's out of that. Let's go this way. Player. I have not used this one, so I have no idea how this is going to work. And it has a shutter, like this, I guess, camera. You can use this to take a picture from your phone. Haven't used it. I don't know. Others. Okay, you click that, and then you go like this. Then you can get to all the styles here. Well, not all of them, but some of them. And go over again. There's a stopwatch. Mute, off, or on. Brightness. Reset. Power off. And the QR code. Swipe one more time. Let's see, what happens if I do that? Oh, that, and then if you swipe up, it'll go back to the face. But the one I use, let's, wait a minute. Let's try let's switch style. I think I was using this one. Click that, go back, okay, there you go. And there's one on here that has the battery, let's check that out. Go this way, there, switch style. I think I have to go to the but there's one that looks generally like a traditional wristwatch there, and this is kind of like digital, and there's one like Dan's. Yep. So anyway, you can go on the app and change it to a face that has the percentage of your battery. So anyway, there's a little lesson on the Colmi Land 1. I wanted to wait till make sure that Dan got his. I didn't want to put this in a video before then. So anyway, there's the watch. I like it. Oh yeah, almost forgot. Here, this part here where you loop it through, there's a little like part that sticks down right in there. Well, that'll match up to this hole, so then it won't slide, So, all right. All right, guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Dan, I hope you like yours. I'm sure you will. I was kind of skeptical at first when I put this on, but it works fine. Haven't, I've taken it off a few times, but I generally leave it on all the time. So, all right, guys, take care, and we will see you later. And hold on, a month from now, going to the Philippines for 6 months. And I'll get some, I'm not taking my DJI Mavic Pro with me. See if I can get some of them beautiful pictures and videos from back there, and I'll upload to my channel so you guys can see. I hope to do a daily vlog of some type, whatever it is. Maybe the same thing, maybe not. I don't know. But anyway, you guys take care, huh? All right, well, catch you later.